Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabits your skin? And can you trust that you won't blow away in the wind? Do you tether your hopes or let go of the ropes, in the hope that you someday descend? Follow the road, the blood in your veins like a track for the trains. The heart always aims for the place where you belong. Just follow it home. Though it may not agree with the path that you seek, sometimes you just need to stop searching and stand up and go. Just follow the road. Can a bird take flight in the sky with no map and no compass for thousands of miles, and just glide through the air on a wing and a prayer, till the day he finally arrives, when the rain comes out of the clouds. It makes no decision to fall to the ground. Its fate was ordained when the time came to rain. There's nowhere to go now but down. Just follow the road, the blood in your veins like a track for the trains. The heart always aims for the place where you belong. Just follow it home. Though it may not agree with the path that you seek, sometimes you just need to stop searching and stand up and go. Just follow the road.
Okay guys, I am through with it and this is the end result. But should in case it still tastes bitter, because once you're done, just taste it to be sure if the bitterness is not conk. Okay, that's what I just did now. I've tasted it and the bitterness is not that conk. But if yours is still very bitter, all you have to do is set your pot on the fire, add a little bit of water and a pinch of potash. Okay, then pour the bitter leaf inside and let it boil for some minutes. That's all. That's lower the bitterness. Okay, so and that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly do that. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, check my other videos, and send a beautiful comment. Thank you so much. You can also share your own way of making your bitter leaf at home. Okay, so all I'm going to do now is to just store it in the fridge. You can put it in a zip bag and then keep it in the freezer. Yeah, you can freeze it up. If you want me to show you how to make bitter leaf soup, you can leave the comments down below. Thank you so much for your time. See you on my next video, and bye.